CJOB remembers the flood of the century. We were there for you in '97, and we're here for you now.
This aerial view of the Red River just north of Selkirk, Manitoba, shows the broken ice left behind after the Amphibex machines did their work. As you can see, they work up and down the river in a systematic approach to break up the ice to prevent ice jamming at bridges downstream.
For all the latest conditions and updates, go to the CJOB Downing Insurance Flood Watch page on CJOB.com. This is the Superstation, CJOB 68.